Hello you guys, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another how-to video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of registering for Ria Money Transfer. But before that, here's a short description about it. Ria Money Transfer is a subsidiary of Euronet Worldwide which specializes in money remittances. Ria initiates transfers through a network of agents and company-owned stores located throughout North America, Latin America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Africa, and online. Ria is one of the big four remittance companies. So, if you want to find out how you can register for Ria Money Transfer, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the app Ria. The app might take some time to load. Once loaded, tap on Continue. Now, you'll be asked if you want to allow money transfer to track your activities across all the company's app and websites. You can either allow or tap on Ask App Not to Track. Then, you need to tap on the option Create a Free Account. After that, you'll be asked if you are sending money from the United States or not. Answer the question correctly and then enter the email and create a password for your account. So let me quickly do that. And then you need to check on this box right here that says I agree to the terms, privacy policy and electronic agreement to receive notices electronically. And once you have done that, tap on Continue. Now, you'll be asked for some of the details. You will have to enter your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and phone number. Enter all the details and then tap on Continue. After that, follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be registered for Ria Money Transfer. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Health Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.